Digging through the glove box, I thought I had a map in here. The driver's door doesn't lock. I bought the car my junior year. There's candy in my backpack, and you can pick our soundtrack. We're heading for the East Coast tonight, so pack your bags and hold on tight, cause we're taking off. Pack up here, track is in. Pack up here, in. Track pack here, in back coast, hold back there in. Run away with me, we're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see Manhattan ever.
Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Prody, and if this is your first time stopping by, you are highly welcome. Feel free to join the family by subscribing to my channel, turning on your post notification bell so that each time I upload a video you will get notified. For my old subscriber, I want to always thank you for stopping by. So in today's video is a hair tutorial on this kinky twist. I did this braid in 4 hours, and that's because I kept stopping, having breaks in between, run errands and coming back. So guys, you can also see my filming area has changed, and that's because I'm closer to my makeup table and mirror and where I keep all my makeup stuff. So it just makes life so easy for me, and for now I think I'll be using this area more. So guys, like I said, if you are interested to see how I achieve this hairstyle, keep watching. For this hair today, I'm going to be using this kinky hair. If you're all on my channel, you can see I always use this hair a lot for most of my hair tutorials. So the hair came like this. It has this, and each bundle contains about 4 strands of hair. So I don't know how many packets of hair I'll be using, but I have here 3 packets of them. So guys, this video is going to be a talk through because I don't have time to do a voiceover. Trying a voiceover all this while, it has really been a problem for me. So I will just be explaining as I go further. So I have my hair here. I did the African threading stretch. Everything has been stretched out. So these are all what I'll be using to part my hair, because my hair is really short, and this hairstyle I'm planning to keep it for a while. So I want this hairstyle to last. I will just come in here. No, let me tell it this. I pull it out. Then I have about 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have 4 strands each. I don't know what you call strand or hair or whatever. This area here, I don't really like it. It's like kind of like a perm hair. So I'm just gonna cut it off with a scissor. After cutting the hair, this is what it looks like. I want this hair to be a little longer, so I'm just going to hold this hair like this. Then I pull it. I keep pulling. I pull. And look how long it is. The longer you want your braid to be, the more you're going to pull the hair. Just pull. Okay. Right now, I'm satisfied with this length. If I'm going to braid the hair, this is where it's going to be. This is where it's going to be right here. So I'm going to be using this as a yardstick. This is going to be a measuring tape, a yardstick for me. If at all I want to pull the rest of the hair. So I'll be keeping this aside. I'm just going to use this to measure how much I have to pull. It's luckily enough they are of the same length, so I'm not going to pull any further. I'm just going to leave it like this. This is how I prep the hair. So I'll just go ahead to show you how I part my hair.
Hand and see Manhattan never looks so pretty. Travel light and see the world right. You'll never know if you never go. So run away with me and say hello to New York City. And say hello to New York City. And say hello to New York City. Feet up on the dashboard. We're driving with the windows down. Did you forget your phone cord? We'll buy one in the next small town. Dinner at an IHOP. A shower at a truck stop. and don't look back, cause we're moving on. Pack back here, track in, pack back here, in track here, backpack.
I'm using this jumbo size 100% Indian hemp hair and scalp treatment for my scalp. This is what I'll be using for my scalp. It looks like this.
Travel light and see the world right. You'll never know if you never go. So run away with me and say hello to New York City. And say hello to New York City. Say hello to New York City. Run away with me. We're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see Manhattan never looks so pretty. Travel light and see the world right. Well, you never know if you never go. So run away with me. Stroll the midtown streets and tell me that you don't feel giddy. Lady Liberty ain't throwing us a wink, or is she? Travel light and see the world right. You'll never know if you never go. So run away with me and say hello to New York City.
So the method in which I use in sectioning my hair is like a U path. I just section it in a U form, everything in a U form.
Say hello to New York City. I'm digging through the glove box. I thought I had a map in here. The driver's door doesn't lock. I bought the car my junior year. There's candy in my backpack, and you can pick our soundtrack. We're heading for the East Coast tonight, so pack your bags and hold on tight, cause we're taking off. Pack back here, track in, pack back here, in track here, backpack here, in back coast, hold back there in. Run away with me, we're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see Manhattan never looks so pretty. Travel light and see the world right. You'll never know if you never go. So run away with me and say hello to New York City. And say hello to New York City. And say hello to New York City. Feet up on the dashboard. We're driving with the windows down. Did you forget your phone cord? We'll buy one in the next small town. Dinner at an IHOP, a shower at a truck stop. We'll listen to some Johnny Cash. Take my hand and don't look back, cause we're moving on. Pack back here, track in, pack back here, in track here, backpack here, in back coast, hold back there in. Run away with me, we're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see Manhattan never looks so pretty. Travel light and see the world right. You'll never know if you never go. So run away with me and say hello to New York City. And say hello to New York City. Say hello to New York City. Run away with me, we're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see Manhattan never looks so pretty. Travel light and see the world right. Well, you never know if you never go. So run away with me. Stroll the midtown streets and tell me that you don't feel giddy. Lady Liberty ain't throwing us a wink, or is she? Travel light and see the world right. You'll never know if you never go. So run away with me and say hello to New York City. Say hello to New York City. box. I thought I had a map in here. The driver's door doesn't lock. I bought the car my junior year. There's candy in my backpack, and you can pick our soundtrack. We're heading for the East Coast tonight, so pack your bags and hold on tight, cause we're taking off. Pack up here, drag you in. Pack up here, in. Drag your backpack here, in back coast, hold back there in. Run away with me, we're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see, Manhattan never looks so pretty. Travel light and see the world right, you'll never know if you never go. So run away with me and say hello to New York City. And say hello to New York City. And say hello to New York City. Feet up on the dashboard, we're driving with the windows down. Did you forget your phone cord? We'll buy one in the next small town. Dinner at an IHOP, a shower at a truck stop. We'll listen to some Johnny Cash. Take my hand and don't look back, cause we're moving on. Pack up here, drag you in. Pack up here, in. Drag your backpack here, in back coast, hold back there in. Run away with me, we're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see, Manhattan never looks so pretty. Travel light and see the world right, you'll never know if you never go. So run away with me and say hello to New York City. And say hello to New York City.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day.